Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be one of my favorite activities because you know your girl loves to be pampered. I'm gonna be spending a full day at Black-owned businesses, getting pampered, getting taken care of, getting wined and dined. Today's video is also sponsored by Google. Thank you, Google, for sponsoring today's video. Google actually helps you find new businesses to support that are owned and operated by underserved communities like myself. Shout out to Black people. We all know the tea, and this is something I've been talking about in my videos for years. Black-owned businesses are a lot of times often overlooked, underserved, underrepresented, and just straight up don't get the opportunities and the exposure that they rightfully deserve. And a lot of times people like me have a hard time finding them because sometimes when you're looking for a business, you don't even know what to look for. Google has changed that and created a system of badges that helps you identify what brands are Black-owned. Women-owned businesses, as for me, I'm gonna always look for somebody Black and I'm gonna always look for women, period. And literally now when you Google a business or a brand, they can identify and have a badge that says, hey, we identify with this community, which helps, you know, shoppers and buyers and patrons like myself find communities that I want to continue to support because that's always going to be a priority for me. So in today's video, we're going to be visiting some new businesses that I actually found using this feature that are both Black-owned and women-owned. If I can throw my money, throw them racks at a new upcoming business, I'm going to do it. I do want to point out that these badges are something that the businesses themselves identify and opt into. It's not something that Google selects. Like if you're Black-owned, you got to manually go in there and choose the badge yourself. So as with anything, use your own discretion when looking at and finding these new businesses. If you want to learn more about how Google is making a world where everyone can belong, you can visit belonging.google. As you guys know from the start of this channel, it's no secret, I am very passionate about supporting Black-owned brands. Black-owned businesses and small businesses in general are often overlooked, underpaid, undervalued, and just flat out hard to find. And so whenever I find or hear about a new Black-owned business or brand, I'm gonna wanna support, and I usually tend to be very loyal. And another thing that I'm also passionate about as a Black-owned brand owner and woman myself is being taken care of. And if it's one thing Black people know how to do, is how to take care of themselves, okay? So today we're gonna spend the entire day just getting loved on and pampered and treated and taken care of with a twist. All of the businesses today that we're supporting are Black-owned brands. I'm excited because many of these are businesses that I've actually are newly introduced to, and I'm also gonna be trying procedures that I've never done before. I'm concerned, but I'll try everything once and I'm intrigued.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Haley and I'm the owner of Relaxed and Restored. Relaxed and Restored is a wellness studio that focuses on women's health, primarily through massage therapy and the coaching services that I offer. I offer 3 different services: relaxation, pain management, and lymphatic drainage massage. Relaxed and Restored has been in business since 2020, and our mission is to bring balance to the mind and the body through holistic practices. Today, Jackie is coming in for our Get Revitalized service, which is our lymphatic drainage massage. So Jackie is already waiting, so let's go.
Your space looks really cute, by the way.
Thank you, thank you. You know, this fashion degree didn't go to waste.
I see. Honestly, a lymphatic drainage massage and like a kombucha a day, you want to talk about snapback?
We'll
like,
keep the bloat away. Hello?
No, for real, for real.
All right, Jackie, that's our session today.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna keep my glasses on because I still got the, you know, the lines in my face from being smushed down. But I feel so good. This is exactly why I always try to stay on my A game when it comes to my massages, because once my body's out of alignment or I'm a few weeks, you know, off the schedule, I can feel it in my body. And because now that I'm finally caught up, I feel so amazing. Thank you so much, Kimberly. You did amazing. I feel incredible.
Hi, I'm Elle Marie, the owner of Elle Marie Spa, located in the Del Amo Fashion Center in Torrance. And the treatments that we're going to do on Jackie today would be the back facial with oxygen therapy, and also she'll be introduced to the oxygen bar, which is an aromatherapy treatment. Today I'm going to be performing the back facial with oxygen, and I'm going to be starting off with exfoliation with the dry brush. So this just helps remove all the dead skin cells. So I started Elle Marie Spa in 2003, but I've been here in the mall since 2017.
Wow, okay.
I've been an esthetician for over 22 years.
Wow. So what inspired you to start your business?
I've just always been into beauty products, the beauty industry. So right out of high school, I went to school to become an esthetician, and then I just did it. I opened up my own place, and I've been doing it ever since.
So what other services do you offer?
So we offer facials, massages, waxing, lashes. We have an oxygen bar. And you want to try to exfoliate your skin at least a couple times a week. Okay, so the next treatment you're going to be receiving today is the oxygen bar.
I'm excited.
So some of the benefits of the oxygen, it gives you a boost. It's great if you have allergies. It helps if you hangovers. It helps if you are having a headache.
Okay.
We're going to do 15 minutes. That's what I recommend. Put it in your nose and then around your ears.
Okay. I want to try watermelon.
So I'm going to give you, so watermelon that is,
Yeah.
but I'm going to also let you experience a little bit of mixture of everything.
Ooh. I like that.
And that,
That's nice.
yeah.
Thank you so much. The back treatment was amazing. The oxygen, super dope. I'll definitely be trying it again. But the one thing that I was really excited for was I got some swag. Can you explain to me what you just gave me? Because I'm kind of like obsessed.
So I gave you a nose diffuser, and basically it just has lavender essential oils, and you just put it in your nose, and you can walk around all day and have a little nice scent in your nose. And
it looks like a septum piercing, but it's like squiggly, and it's like essential oil infused, and it's like nice because I can just keep re-smelling the lavender. I'm definitely gonna be reusing this.
You're welcome.
I love it.
Yeah, I'm glad.
Thank you so much.
You're
this was so
welcome.
awesome. All right, y'all. Well, that was my day. I found not one but two new Black-owned businesses to support. Super stoked about that. Now, the last thing I want to say is businesses, remember, choose the badges wisely, the ones that actually apply to you, because those of us like myself are actively looking for brands to support. All right, y'all. Well, me and the Green Goblin got some traffic to send into, but honestly, I feel so good after these treatments. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. That's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed spending the day with me. If you like this video, of course, majorly actually like it, because I'm a Black business too. Your girl needs support, so thank you for doing that. And of course, if you want to keep seeing videos and content just like this one, you can subscribe and hit the bell notification not once, but twice, so that you can see whenever we post new uploads. Thank you again to Google for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want more information on the initiative that we discussed today, you can check it out in the description box below. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye. Jagga 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 jagga